Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Heap Analytics, monitor user journeys step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Heap Analytics. Wait for the page to load completely. Locate the login button on the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. From here, navigate to the User Journeys section. Explore the available tools to monitor user interactions. Adjust filters to analyze specific user segments. Utilize the insights provided to enhance user experience. Remember to log out when finished for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.